Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Hyderabadi Biryani is one of the most authentic and traditional dishes from the Hyderabadi cuisines. It's a state food of Telangana. Hyderabadi chicken biryani is one of the most popular biryanis in India. Its cooking method is what it makes it so special and amazingly delicious. Hyderabadi chicken biryani with layers of rice, spices, herbs and chicken is much easier to make than we think. So let's get started. First we will marinate the chicken. For that today I have taken around 1 kg of skin out chicken cut into medium pieces, 2 teaspoons of homemade biryani powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1 bowl of mint leaves, 1 bowl of coriander leaves, 1 cup of fried onion, salt as per our taste, a small piece of lemon, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup of curd. First we will take the chicken, wash it well and add it to a mixing bowl, and we'll start adding all the ingredients, all the masalas, salt, ginger garlic paste, fried onions, mint leaves, coriander leaves, lemon juice, curd, and combine everything together so that the masala gets coated well with the chicken. Here we are using Kashmiri red chili powder to get a very good color to the biryani. Cover it and set it aside at least for 2 hours. The chicken has to get marinated at least for 2 hours or maximum for 4 hours. So now we'll prepare the other ingredients for that. Now first we'll prepare the biryani masala. For that I have taken all the spices. If you are using a ready-made masala, you can skip this step. So take all the spices in a pan. Fry it at least for 5 minutes on medium flame. Once it cools down, we'll add it to a mixer jar and grind it to a very fine powder. This biryani masala, you can use it for any kind of biryanis, paneer, chicken, vegetable, mutton, any kind of biryani. It adds a very good flavor to your biryani. Store it in an airtight container and you can use it for a longer time. So now I'll prepare the caramelized onions. For that I have taken medium sized onions, around 5 onions, and sliced it uniformly and very thin and separated all the layers and will keep it aside. Now in a pan take at least 5 tablespoons of ghee. When the ghee turns hot, we'll add the onions, spread them well, and we'll fry them uniformly until it is golden crisp and aromatic. Keep stirring uniformly, otherwise it will get burnt. So once the color turns brown, we'll remove it and keep it aside. So now we'll soak the rice for the biryani. For that I have taken around 700 grams of rice. Add it, at least wash it 3 times in running water and soak it for 30 minutes. So in the meanwhile, we'll soak a large pinch of saffron in half cup of hot milk. Even this has to get soaked well, so we'll soak the same time. It has to soak at least for 30 or 40 minutes. So after 30 minutes, we'll cook the rice. For that in a pot, add water and add all the spices, 1 teaspoon of ghee, also salt. When it is boiling, when you check the water, it has to be very salty. So now drain the water and add all the rice and cook it for 3/4. The rice should not get overcooked. Drain all the water and keep it aside. So now we'll prepare the Hyderabadi chicken biryani. For that I have taken a large cooker and added the fried onion ghee to it, and we'll add the chicken and layer it well. On that we'll layer half of the rice, fried onions, and we'll sprinkle few mint leaves, coriander leaves, and 2-3 spoons of saffron milk, which gives a very good color to the biryani. And now we'll layer the remaining rice and add the coriander leaves, mint leaves, fried onions, and we'll pour the remaining saffron milk, and also we'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, which will add a very good flavor to the biryani. Please don't add oil. So now we have to seal the cooker. For that today I'm using a foil. We'll use a foil and seal the rim completely, or you can also make a dough and stick to the pot. Take a tawa, place it on a stove and then we'll place our biryani pot. Place a plate and add a keep a pot of water and keep the flame to medium to high and cook it at least for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it is done, reduce the flame to low and cook for another 15 minutes. Once it is done, switch off the flame and leave it undisturbed at least for 20 to 30 minutes. All the flavors will get infused. So after 20 minutes, you can see that our Hyderabadi biryani is ready. It's a very tasty and delicious biryani, friends, and you can see that there is no any moisture left in the biryani. It is perfectly cooked, and it is uniformly cooked well. So you can see that no moisture is left. If you find any moisture in the biryani, seal it and keep it on the stove and cook it again until it is properly done. So layers of biryani, that is Hyderabadi chicken biryani, is done. It's very simple and very easy. The cooking method is totally different and it adds a very good flavor to the biryani. You can serve it with raita. So friends, try this yummy, tasty and delicious Hyderabadi chicken biryani and comment me in the comment section. So friends, try this recipe and comment